Ta-da! Thank you. Please. Hey! Good morning. It's Magic Brad here. Synergy Cafe, Synergy Collaborative, Synergy Event Marketing, Synergy Lifestyle Academy, Synergy this, that, and the other thing. And here's some good news for the event world. The lakes are thawing and the river's thawed, so it's time for cruise season. So my friend David Lawrence with Paradise Charters has got his boats up and running, and we'll be doing some brunches and some Mother's Day cruises and some Lock and Dam tours and some Taco Tuesday cruises and some happy hour pizza cruises. So get ready, because the best events are on the water. Dun, dun, dun. Just heard some news. Who we got there? Ashley, how are you? Be well. How are you? Just heard some news that Pinstripes is looking to take over the old spaghetti factory building. So how do you like that? The old spaghetti, I don't know if you've been there. It's right there on Washington and Park, I believe. Is Park? Yeah. And it's a very cool place. They used to do murder mysteries and stuff in there. It's a pretty cool building and vibe to it. But Pinstripes is looking to take it over. You know Pinstripes out in Edina? Ashley, I got to put on my glasses. I can't read. Oh, yes. O is correct. So that's some fun stuff that's happening. Also, we've got some more events coming up in the fall. In October, we've got our Business Expo coming up. And March 4th is the Event Expo. That's a ways off, but you got to take that into consideration when budgeting for your next year's events and activities and things like that. If you want to meet people face-to-face, in person, live, that's what you do, is you go to a live event. The social media thing is wonderful. You got some reach with it and fancy-dancy ad capabilities as far as targeting people, but there's nothing like meeting people live and in person. So that's what's going down on this Tuesday, Good News Day. It's interesting. I'm curious to see what happens with Pinstripes and when they're going to open up. That'll be fun to see. So I'm an advocate of not spending too much time, because there's so many distractions and things on the internet. I want you to sit here for a half an hour. So I just do these real quick little updates. I'll be logging on some of my different channels on YouTube and LinkedIn and Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook and all those social media platforms, and let you know what's going down here in the Twin Cities, Minneapolis and St. Paul, even though that's way on the other side of the river. Even Wisconsin. Come on over. Let's have some fun. That's it. Peace, love, and happiness. Magic Brad signing off. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's going to be a beautiful one. I got to get out and about and go and be free. Be well. Bye.